Hello guys, in this video, I am going to tell you how to increase your Snap score. I am going to show you a very interesting way to increase your Snap score on Snapchat. So, let's get into it. All you have to do is open up Snapchat on your phone. Firstly, I am going to show you my Snap score simply by clicking over my profile avatar. Here you can see my Snap score is only 1. To increase my Snap score, what I will do is open up my chat box. And then I am going to use my AI to ask about how to increase my Snapchat score. This AI will give an answer to how I can increase my Snap score. It will give me proper details, which are usually simply by uploading stories on Snapchat and also by sending snaps with my friends on Snapchat. So what I will do is simply click over his plus icon here, then, from the given option, I am going to click over multiple snaps. Once I am done with it, I am going to send these snaps to my contacts on Snapchat or anyone else I want. After sending the snaps to friends, you can see your Snap score. Right now, there is only 1, but when you check it after 1 or half an hour, you will find your Snap score has increased. And this is how you can increase your Snap score simply by sharing the random snaps with each other and building a community here. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.